Hi friends, welcome back to Decorate Your Life. Today I'm going to share how you can make beautiful and unique Memorydex cards using your frame dies. I'm also going to do a flip through of our latest collection, on Vogue Fall Pumpkins. Enjoy the video. I decided to use my Becca Fekin Forever in our memory die set from Spellbinders, a sheet from our new collection, on Vogue. I also used watercolor paper to make my Memorydex sturdy. I used my Heidi Swap Memorydex hole puncher and some items from my stash to embellish the memdex card. There was a cutout from the sentiment part of the die set, so I used the cutout to make the bottom of my Memorydex card. As you can see here, I just glued it to the back of my card. It was that easy. My Memorydex card is dimensional with the embellishments and die cut flourishes that I used. I also die cut the frame using white fun foam to raise the die cut frame a bit. I doubt that the video shows it, but I also used Wink of Stella to add sparkle to the frame. I hope that I've inspired you in using your frame dies to make beautiful and unique Memorydex cards. Now for our new paper collection, on Vogue Fall Pumpkins. Check out my links in the description area below. Subscribe, comment and leave me a thumbs up for more paper craft ideas.